Hi, Sunil, Dr. Sunil. We are going to take up a subject which is there since time immemorial, right from the day a child is born and up to the last day when we depart from the world. Yes, you heard right. We are talking about anger. Now, what exactly is the anger? Anger is a situation in which you lose out your senses and start behaving in an abnormal way. I remember, friends, years back when I did my first workshop on anger management. It was excitement all around, and the participants were really wondering what exactly going to happen in this workshop. And some of the content in today's talk I am also borrowing from my own workshop. किसी के गुस्से पे गुस्सा बेहिसाब आता है और किसी के गुस्से पे मोहब्बत प्यार बेइंतहा आता है। दिल की बात है जनाब, करके तो देखिए, एक बार नहीं 100 बार आता है। कभी गुस्सा तो कभी प्यार आता है। Anger is a normal emotion that everyone experiences from time to time. However, if your anger turns to be aggressive or outburst, you need to find the healthy ways to deal with anger. बहुत कुछ नज़रअंदाज करना पड़ता है। बहुत कुछ नज़रअंदाज करना पड़ता है। ये रिश्ते मोहब्बत के बहुत नाजुक होते हैं। Do you flare up in an interpersonal discussion? Do you feel bad if sometime take you for granted? Do you blow your mind if someone tries to dominate you? Does your blood pressure shoots up beyond limits when your people, your family, your friends, co-worker refuses to cooperate and obey you? Anger is a genuine emotion like any other emotion. And the strangest part is, none of us have any anger in us. Then what exactly is anger? Anger is a situation. It's a response to the environment. The way people treat you, the people behave with you, their attitude, their disposition, their outlooks, and each of their factor which affects our personality. And the moment we don't like it, the result is anger. तू करती है मुझ पे गुस्सा, तू करती है मुझ पे गुस्सा, तेरे गुस्से पे प्यार आता है। तू लगती हो और भी अच्छी, तू लगती हो और भी अच्छी, तेरे रुखसारों पे गुलाब आता है। Anger, like any other emotion, is an emotion. Emotion like happiness, sorrow, joy, anger is one of them. And most of the time, my own experience as a clinical psychologist, in a lot of mentoring and counseling session, I found that anger is normally a response which people choose in a given situation. Let's talk about why and what of anger. It happens when you feel like that the people are disagreeing with you. Well, friend, it is the inherent desire among the people, amongst us also, that people obey our orders, the people start thinking the way we are thinking. And most of the time we feel that people fall in line with our way of living. But many a time it doesn't happen. It generates the anger in us. When they don't follow your directions, we feel bad. When repeatedly our instructions are flouted and people do not bother the way we want them to behave, we also get angry when other people get more than us. One of the reasons I've been discussing in a classroom situation, many a time people say that I am angry, I am unhappy because my neighbor is happy, my friend is more happier than me. Element of jealousy is always there. It was and will remain. When they are made to look low with disapproval, you feel very bad when people disapprove you, do not obey you. It generates the anger. When they are internally stressed for any other reasons, there can be the lot number of the reasons in the family, relationship, and the work situation which generate anger in us. When they have a very low self-esteem. I have noticed over the years that the people with low self-esteem, people with low self-respect, they get angry very fast. In fact, they use anger as a tool to declare themselves as a victim. Not as a victor, but as a victim. So, gentlemen, anger is a volcano. Hold it. Don't allow it to burst. And if at all it bursts, you'll be the first one to burn with it, blow up with it. Anger is an emotion characterized by the antagonism towards someone or something you feel has deliberately done you wrong. Any moment you feel that somebody is doing bad with you, somebody is taking you for granted, the feeling of the anger invariably starts. It can give you a way to express negative feeling, to motivate you to find solution to the problem. But excessive anger can cause problem also. If we go into a bit of theoretical part of motivation, I've been always telling that little bit of excitement, a little bit of the anger, little bit of the aggression is very important to achieve an objective. But that little bit, when exceeds its limits, the real problem start. May result into the stress, depression, maybe the frustration, a feeling of unease. बेपनाह मोहब्बत बेइंतहा इबादत अब हम नहीं करते. बेपनाह मोहब्बत बेइंतहा इबादत अब हम नहीं करते. रिश्तों की कसमसाहट को सिसकते देख लिया हमने. Well, gentlemen, let's discuss some of the causes of the anger. Losing your patience. I remember when I was very young, my mom used to tell me that I am always sitting in a horse of a fire. बेटा हर वक्त आग के घोड़े पे क्यों बैठा रहता है? श्रद्धा और सबूरी. Learn from a saint later on. Have patience. Things will come back to their normal situation. But the same words were repeated by my wife. My children say the same thing now. Dad, when you're going to learn the patience? Now that's all about me, but as far as the causes of the anger are concerned, lack of patience is one of them, and we have been always telling that all the situation, all the things fall into their own place. It takes time. So just wait. Be patient. Somebody is there. Things will be better. Hypersensitive nature. Now, this is right from the early stages of our life. Like I have been saying in many videos, a personality is formed by the time you are 20s. A mode of personality, a mold, a set of skills and competencies a set of behavior, values, and the norm get settled in our mind. And these are the very norms and values, attitudes we touch upon in the class, whether they are good or bad. But the situation is there. People who are hypersensitive, they are the first victim to get into the trap of anger. Feeling as if your opinion or your efforts aren't appreciated. When you have this feeling that people are not appreciating you, accepting you, recognizing you, and also when you feel the dues, the things which you expect in a normal situations are not coming to you, you feel angry. Appreciation is very important, and whenever there is a lack of appreciation and recognition, we feel bad. अब पछताना हमने छोड़ दिया, अब पछताना हमने छोड़ दिया, रोना भी छोड़ दिया, अच्छा था तो माशाअल्लाह बेहतरीन था, अच्छा था तो माशाअल्लाह बेहतरीन था, बुरा था तो तुजर्बा हसीन था. Injustice. Many a time when we feel that injustice has been done to me, it gave me the anger feeling. Sometimes the memories of traumatic and enraging events. This recapitulation repeatedly of the bad events, the events which has stressed you earlier, the events which has pained you earlier, always generate the feeling of anger. बेवफाओं की महफिल थी, जिक्र वफा का कर रहे थे. बेवफाओं की महफिल थी, जिक्र वफा का कर रहे थे. धूप तपती रेगिस्तान सी थी, और वो बारिशों का फिक्र कर रहे थे. Worrying about personal problem, a constant worry about our own problems is one of the major reasons of generation of the anger feeling in us. And this one is very important when you start comparing yourself with other people. When you start comparing with the people who are little above you, the people who have something better than you, the people who have climbed the ladder of success faster than you, and this is the feeling which keeps us in a stress situation. And one very important factor I would like to mention here. Anger is the second stage. It is a stress tension which is generating at the first stage. And if you are not able to manage that stress and tension in the first stage, then the outburst is always in the anger. Let us discuss some of the symptoms. पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा खुला था और परिंदे ने उड़ने से इनकार कर दिया. पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा खुला था और परिंदे ने उड़ने से इनकार कर दिया. प्यार करने लगा था सलाखों से. प्यार करने लगा था सलाखों से और दिल का इजहार कर दिया. Anger symptoms. Over the years of classroom interactions, we find there are several symptoms which show that a person is angry. Sudden increase in blood pressure, hypertension, sudden spurt in the blood sugar level, dilated eyeballs, quick flutter of the eyebrows, tremendous hormonal disturbances. Even people reported inadequacy in sexual performance, excessive urination, excessive sweating, sudden bout of diarrhea or the regular stomach upsets. Most dangerous is the cardiac. Overactivity may result in a stroke or even a heart attack. Excessive neurobrain activity and even the possibility of a stroke. Let us discuss some of the strategies to combat the demon called anger. Plan your communication. Avoid a situation which troubles you later. Plan your communication. Take few moments to collect your thoughts before you present them. This is very important, gentlemen. Most of the people communicate without planning, and you never know what kind of the word you has been using and what kind of the word which has been hurting other people. किसी को जाने क्यों बोलूं, किसी को जाने को क्यों बोलूं तो दिल दुखता है, किसी को जाने को बोलूं तो दिल दुखता है, टुकड़ा अपने वजूद का अब खुद के हाथों तो दफनाया नहीं जा सकता. Be cool like cucumber, then express your held up anger. Learn to stay cool. Almost 50% of the anger gets subsides in this process. As soon as you are thinking clearly, express yourself in an assertive way. Convey your concerns, your doubts, clearly and directly, without hurting or damaging the ego of the other or trying to control them. तेरी मेरी मोहब्बत की नफ़रत की जंग जारी है. तेरी मेरी मोहब्बत की नफ़रत की जंग जारी है. बाजी तू ही हर बार जीती है, बाजी हर बार मैंने ही हारी है. Be a workout freak. Physical inactivity always aggravates the anger situation. Physical activity can help reduce stress, anger that can cause you to become angry. If you feel your anger escalating, go for a brisk jog or spend time in a gym. I remember when I was back to the country a few years back, every time I had a small flare up with my wife, I'll just hold the chain of my dog and go to the market. Stop at the first thela of an ice cream and purchase the costliest chalk bar. And I come back. A few days later, my wife asked me, why you move out and go to the other person? Then somebody told my wife that he is not feeling bad on the road, he is just enjoying his ice cream. And laughingly said, the next time when you go out, please bring one for me too. Take holiday, go away from the crowd. Giving yourself a short break, a short holiday, to be from your stressful situation, a few moments of quiet personal moment might help you to feel better, prepared to handle what's ahead without losing your balance of mind. Prioritize the solution, prioritize the problem. Be the master of the time management. Instead of procrastinating, focus on what makes you angry, work on resolving the issue in the hand. Remind yourself that the anger won't fix anything and might only aggravate the situation more worse. Use I syndrome. Use I statement. Communication to describe the problem. Be respectful and be specific. तेरी खूबियाँ, तेरी तरबियत, शख्सियत पर तो कई फिदा थे. तेरी खूबियाँ, तेरी तरबियत, शख्सियत पर तो कई फिदा थे. तेरी कमियों को तो हम ही जानते थे, फिर भी तुझे अपना हम सफ़र हमराज बना लिया. Make efforts so the person understand the situation. Stop cribbing, complaining, and accusing. One of the three dangerous situations which aggravate the anger. Learn to forgive. Forgiveness is the powerful tool. If you allow anger, another negative feeling to load up, you might find yourself consumed up by your own bitterness, hatred, jealousy, and sense of injustice. जानते हो तुम्हारे लिए सबसे बड़ी जीत कब होगी? जानते हो तुम्हारे लिए सबसे बड़ी जीत कब होगी? माफ़ कर दे उसको, माफ़ कर दे उसको जिसने तकलीफ़ सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी तुझको दी होगी. And if you can forgive someone who angered you, you might both turn the situation and strengthen the relationship. Program your mind to ignite humor. Well, this is very important, and most of the time in my classroom situation, I have even heard the comment that, sir, you don't teach at all, you just laugh. You just laugh and laugh. But I feel that laughter is one of the catch word by which I have been binding you in my class for the 9 hours. And even after the 9 hours, exhaustive, interaction and the simulation and the number of the activities. Feel good when toward the end of the day somebody say, Sir, ye dil mange more. Haha. Humor is to help you to face the situation. Humor always helps you to relax and to the diffuse tension. Humor always lighten up the tense situation. It can complement feeling and make things better. Use yoga, meditation, breathing exercises when your anger shoots up. Put relaxation techniques to work. Practice deep breathing exercises. Imagine a relaxing scene or repeat a soothing location, a scenery or a pleasant location. Even you can recall the beautiful moments whenever you are tense. Seek professional assistance. Now, this is one of the factors which is lacking in our socio-psychological culture in India. We may be facing an immense problem. There are intense issues, but we are not ready to accept an outside help. Mostly people have this question, am I sick? Why I need a doctor? But I tell them a clinical psychologist is not a doctor, he's a friend, he's a guide, he's a mentor. He just wants to help you to come out of this precarious situation. Seek professional help and assistance when it is required. Anger management is a challenge for anyone at times. Seek professional assistance for the anger episodes. If your anger seems out to hurt those around your vicinity, be careful to apologize. Identify people who gives you anger. Although we stay in this world with billions of the people, but we draw our relationship constituencies. I have been talked a number of times that we have our own relationship constituencies and the number of the people are not many. And all the people who generate the feeling of stress in you, all the people, the moment they come and contact you and you feel angry, I think the best strategy is to withdraw yourself. Don't finish the relationship. न जाने कौन जिंदगी के किस मोड़ पे किस काम आ जाए, न जाने कौन जिंदगी के किस मोड़ पे किस काम आ जाए, रिश्ते कभी पूरो न तोड़ो, रिश्ते कभी पूरे न तोड़ो. देखिए जनाब, न जाने कौन फिर काम आ जाए. We will find that in fact we are just interacting with 20, 10, 15 people. So it's not very difficult to get rid of certain people from our life. Go away from the anger location. Now this is very important part. I have been using it personally myself and most of the people feel it. Whenever there is an anger situation, please disassociate, move out from that particular situation or location. You will feel better. Go under shower. Although never tried it personally, but the people suggest that whenever they are very angry, they just go under the shower, stand under the shower, and don't come out until all the anger has been melted down. This helps them to cool down both physically and mentally, ignoring the irritating situation, irritating people. Identify the situation which hurt you, pain you, and learn to ignore such situation and the people. Anger is a normal feeling and can be a positive emotion when it helps you to work through the issues, problems, whether at the work or at the home, or even sometime a mild anger helps you to salvage the relationships. However, anger can become problematic if it leads to the aggression, outburst, or even physical altercation. Anger control is important for helping you avoid saying or doing something you may regret later. Before anger escalates, you can use specific strategies for controlling anger. Well, gentlemen, briefly we touch upon the anger situation, anger symptom, and some of the strategies how to manage it. I tried, number of the people I know, number of the training workshop, whenever we have the follow-up of the feedback session within the management few months later, I was very happy when I was told by the colleagues, by the interpersonal department people, hierarchical level people, that the person we are talking about is not getting flared up very fast. He has controlled his anger. If these things are happening, we feel good. Well, we tried certain strategies, we discussed certain ways and means. Do try them. And we'll meet once again. Thank you for being with me, gentlemen. It's been always my love and affection. Maybe we come back to you with another episode. Until then, thank you very much for being with me. Thank you.